Hello, my name is Stephen Fuente, and today I'm here to show you a little bit about Google Earth. Google Earth is a wonderful free resource that allows you to basically get a glimpse at anywhere on the planet. Now, this is a really cool thing for not just students, but anyone in particular. So, students could check this out in the classroom, or you could just check it out, at home and with your own general curiosity. And so, all you gotta do is just type in Google Earth into the search bar. It'll bring you to this site. All you're going to do is go to launch in Chrome. It'll load up pretty quickly for you, and it's going to bring you this little globe right here, and you've got some options right here. There's going to be different viewing options. We'll just look at a couple of them real quick. So we've got fly to my location, we've got a street view, and then we've got the 3D view, which I am going to show you that here shortly. We'll just run through a couple of the options here on this side. You can share your findings with, a friend or coworker, colleague. Pick your poison on that one. But the most important feature here is going to be our search option. Now with this, you can just type in wherever you want to go, and it'll just be different and choose Paris. Let's see what they got going on over there. And as you can see, it loads up pretty quickly. And there's a cool little graphic where it zooms in with the globe, and it'll kind of like rotate accordingly. And being very general with the location just for the sake of the training purposes. So I just typed in Paris, and then just using your mouse you can kind of guide it in wherever you want to go. And also if you bring it over here, it'll start going accordingly over there. But we'll go back to this area, and this is a pretty cool little feature. So once you have it at a good viewing point, you can, I think that was too close right there. So we'll bring that back a little bit, hit 3D view. We'll hit 3D view, and it gives you a cool little rotation around the area that you're zoomed in at. And like I said, this is a really cool and free feature that Google offers. So I feel like this is going to be a great feature, especially in an education setting, but also for anyone. Anyone that might be lacking the resources or time to go visit all these different places, they can get a nice little accurate look at different areas in the world. And I think that's a really cool thing. I'm happy to see where technology is going. But anyway, that's going to conclude my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it and you have a great day.